I know this is really weird that I'm doing like a tour of the hotel room on the last day, like as we're checking out, but you know, I wanted to be able to say I really actually enjoyed the hotel room. This is a preferred room. I really don't know what the hell the difference is between a preferred room and a non-preferred room, but this is the standard type of room you'd get at the All-Star Resorts, which has been a great stay. You got 3 pools that do nightly movies outdoors that call it like a movie under the stars. It's pretty cool. So here's what you'd be getting with this hotel room. First off, you get a door. Isn't that amazing? This is where you tap either your magic band, so if you have the bracelets that I talked about, you can tap it on there and it'll unlock the door, or you can unlock it from the app on your phone, or if you're using the card. We walk in to this spacious, luxurious 2-bedroom. I mean 2-bed, not 2-bedroom. You get a fridge, coffee maker, and they do put a whole bunch of coffee stuff in here, and they refill the cups and stuff. So, you know, and then you also get your ice tray back here if you want to get some ice for the room. You get a table. This actually pulls down into another queen-size bed. Yeah, or you could use the table. It's up to you. You got these little storage necks right next to the walls there, which they have USB ports built right in with the actual outlets. Your light switches are the toggle types of switches. So you go on and off like that. And then you get a dresser. You got 3 drawers. Inside here you got a safe and a Bible. I just found that out today. You got more USB ports and plugs and a TV. Not that you'll probably be using the TV much outside when you're going to sleep. You got a nice little closet space here. Ironing board. Some storage space here in the bathroom. Hey. A toilet right next to your shower. So if your wife is taking a shower, you can come in here and take a nice big old poopy. Then you got a pretty nice shower head too. I actually really enjoyed my showers here. And that thing, that little knobby thing right there, the center pulls out and it's a cord, and then it latches right back here. So you actually have a clothesline for your bathing suits built right into the shower. It is for showers. That's why it's called a shower. We all enjoy this hotel room?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like that when it pulls out like you
And we've stayed in nicer things here, but literally there was never a point, because every time we always came to Disney, we spent most of our time not in the hotel room. So why pay for a nice hotel room?
I get a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? It's pretty high.
Who do we all rate it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. We're all just
Wow, unanimous. You heard it here, people. Leah gave it a 10 out of 10.
And now they all pick 10 out of 10.
Is this the swankiest hotel room you've ever stayed in?
What is that supposed to mean?
Fancy.
Yes.
Yeah?
I don't know what else.
Well, the last time you stayed here, you stayed in one of the,
Cribs.
what's the old
Key West.
Old Key West? You stayed in one of their luxury villas.
What is that?
Your grandma's a Disney Vacation Club member, that's what that means.
Great grandma.
Great grandma.
Okay, who rates it 5 out of what? 5 out of
Alright guys, I just wanted to show you the hotel room in case any of you were debating on going with the, as we'll call it, lower end hotel room. I thought it was pretty nice.